This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Faith Turner. Newer home without the wait, spacious 4-bedroom/3 bath with fresh paint, new carpet, and new vinyl flooring on first floor. Nice floor plan with first floor bedroom and full bath. Kitchen has stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and center island open to living room. Second floor primary suite with private bath, second floor laundry closet with washer and dryer. Private backyard and detached garage. Convenient to I-264 and I-464. For more information, review the details below or contact Faith Turner at 757-424-0202.